Hello ma'am, my name is Manikumar and today my topic is about heap sort. First of all, coming to the definition, heap sort is a comparison based sorting technique based on binary heap data structure. It is similar to selection sort where we first find the minimum element and place the minimum element at the beginning. We repeat the same process for the remaining element. The heap can be represented by a binary tree or array. In computer science, heap sort is a comparison based sorting algorithm. Heap sort can be thought of as an improved selection sort. Like selection sort, heap sort divides its input into a sorted and unsorted region and iteratively shrinks the unsorted region by extracting the largest element from it and inserting into the sorted region. Unlike selection sort, heap sort does not waste time with linear time scan of the unsorted region. Rather, heap sort maintains the unsorted region in a heap data structures to more quickly find the largest element. Heap sort can be understood Heap sort can be understood as the improved version of the binary search tree. It does not create a node as in case of binary search tree. Instead, it builds the heap by adjusting the position of the elements within the array itself, in which a tree structure called heap is used where a heap is a type of binary tree. Important now in this heap sort uh, in this heap sort it does sorting while in the form of a binary tree. Heap sort important points in heap sort is a comparison based sorting algorithm. It is a special tree based data structure. Heap sort is similar to selection sort. The only difference is that it finds the largest elements and places that it in the end. This sort is not a stable sort. It requires a constant space for sorting a list. It is a very fast and widely used for sorting. The time complexity of the heap sort is big O of n log n. Now coming to the properties of the heap sort has mainly two properties. One is shape property, another one is heap property. Coming to the shape property represents all the nodes or levels of the tree are fully filled. All the levels or nodes are fully filled. Hence, in the shape property, here in a binary tree, where no node is missing, means if one node is missing means it does not following shape property. Here, all nodes are there means in a binary tree it is following shape property. Now coming to the heap property. Heap property is a binary tree with special characteristics. It can be classified into two types. Heap property can be classified into two types like maximum heap and minimum heap. Maximum heap if parent nodes are greater than maximum heaps. If parent nodes are greater than child nodes, it is known as maximum heap. And coming to the minimum heap, if the parent nodes are smaller than child nodes, then it is called minimum heap. Now let's see here one minimum heap and maximum heap. Now let us illustrate the binary sorting algorithm is known as heap sorting. Now let us illustrate it with one example. In the diagram below, initially there is an unsorted array. In this array we have 6 elements inbuilt: 4, 3, 7, 1, 8, 5. Now all the elements are built in the form of binary tree: 4, 3, 8, 7, 5. As usual, according to the initial elements, they are built in the form of binary tree. Now the larger element is placed at a parent node. Now the larger element means 8. 8 is the larger element. Now it is placed as parent node. Now from here we will follow the heap sort. Now the first step of the heap sort is over, that is maximum element is placed as a parent node. After parent node, now we are going to perform the actual heap sorting. Now swap the root node with the leaf node. Now swap the root node with leaf node. That larger element is disconnected and the smaller value takes place of root node. Now we have to compare the larger element with the leaf node. Now here first in step 1 the larger element is 8 and the leaf node is 5. Now it compares 8 and 5. 8 is a larger element and it will be disconnected, and the 5 is a smaller element and it takes place the position of root node. Now in step 3, now it compares 7 and 3. 7 is larger element and it is disconnected, and 3 is the smaller element and it is 3 is a smaller element and it is place and it takes place of root node. Now in step 5 it compares 5 and 1. 5 is a larger element, it disconnects 5 and places all the disconnected elements are placed in order. Now it disconnects 5 and the smaller element 1 is placed at root place. Now we have 3 elements 4, 1 and 3. Now it compares 4 and 3. As usual 4 is larger element and 3 takes place. As usual 4 is larger element and 3 takes place the step of root node. Now comparing 4 and 3 and 1. 1 takes place root node and 3 is disconnected. Now we will get the order. Now all the elements in the binary tree are sorted. Now let's see 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Thank you, ma'am.